It's a beautiful Saturday afternoon on Memorial Day weekend, and I'm teaming up with David from Off the Grind, the U.S. Forest Service, and Tread Lightly as we are hosting our first official trail cleanup in Greenwater, Washington. We have several volunteers who graciously offer their time and assistance to help us restore and clean up our beloved public land. After a quick check-in meeting, we were ready to head out and begin our work as the U.S. Forest Service team led the way. When it comes to responsible recreation, we all have to chip in and do our part. Not only do we need to continue our practice of leave no trace, but also encourage and educate others to do the same. When you head out on the trails, ensure to bring multiple trash bags, not only for yourself, but to help clean up the surrounding areas you are visiting. Together, we can each do our part and help restore our public land.
One, two, three.
Oh, yeah.
Arch.
Happy Memorial Day weekend, everybody. This episode is a little different as we have a group of volunteers who willingly offered their time on a holiday weekend to join us cleaning up some trails here out in Greenwater, Washington. So as you can see behind me, we've got a number of vehicles, and it is a joint effort with the Forest Service office out here as well. So we have a few of their team members kind of showing us the areas that are in need of most help, as well as kind of showing us the roads too. So great cause, great effort for getting everybody together. It's a beautiful day, it's nice and sunny, so we have that as well, but it's kind of unfortunate how much work is actually needed out here, but we are spearheading it, and we're going to make the best that we can with our day trip, and then we're going to wrap it up with some good food and conversation. So let's keep going and see how much more we can get done.
Coming up and helping out accomplish this. I guess our next step, since it's only like 1:30, 1:40, then I'll go to Boundary Creek, just toss the stuff up in our 30-yard dumpster. I'll give you guys, if you guys want to help us again in the future, understanding of how we deal with this stuff. Of course. It'll take us like 10 minutes, something like that. Then we'll head up to the Dows and fire up a grill and have burgers or dogs or whatever you guys got. Cool.
We'll have hot dogs.
Solve that Rubik's Cube.
With the help of 11 volunteers, plus 4 Forest Service personnel, 2.5 hours of work, covering about 10 miles of land focusing on worsened areas, we estimated about 3,000 pounds of trash collected in total. This included 50 bags, a back seat of a vehicle, and a mattress. Not bad for a single day's work, though there is still much to do within this area. As we wrapped up our discussion on the day's accomplishments, we were soon to be heading out for cooking up a late lunch, which consisted of hot dogs and hamburgers. Our simple way of saying thank you to all those who helped us out.
I'm a bad girl.
When it comes to building a community, this is what it's all about. Lending a helping hand for a great cause while meeting and connecting with new individuals along the way. I can't thank all our volunteers enough for their time and support. A big thank you to our U.S. Forest Service team and Tread Lightly for all the assistance and help with logistics. To those who couldn't make this event, please be on the lookout for future dates and hosted cleanups, as David and I will be planning many more in the coming weeks. For more information regarding Tread Lightly and Leave No Trace principles, please utilize the links below. Until next time, safe travels.